Islam is my identity. Islam is my identity. Faith and light inside of me, walking strong and walking free. Allah guides my destiny. With my Quran in my hand, I will rise and proudly stand. Mercy, kindness, peace I bring. For my Lord my heart will sing. Islam is my identity, filled with love and dignity. Every step and every day, Allah shows me the way. Bismillah when I begin, keeping goodness deep within. When I fall I rise again, trusting Allah through the pain. I will shine just like the moon, morning light and stars at noon. With my salah, my soul feels bright, guided by the perfect light. Helping others, being kind, leaving jealousy behind. Smiling big for all to see, that is true humility. Islam is my identity, faith and hope live inside me. With my du'as rising high, I keep reaching for the sky. La ilaha illallah, peaceful words upon my tongue. Following the Prophet's way, growing stronger every day. No matter where I go or be, Islam lives inside of me. It's my joy and it's my way, guiding me both night and day. Islam is my identity, my forever melody. With my deen I feel complete, walking on a path so sweet.